If you're someone who's been struggling to optimize your website for search engines, then this video is perfect for you. We'll be covering all the basics you need to know about using ChatGPT for SEO and how it can help improve your website's search engine rankings. This is because once you improve your search engine rankings, you will have more traffic coming to your website. That would lead to business, and business will lead to conversions, and conversions will lead to a higher turnover. So first, let's start by understanding what ChatGPT is. For starters, it is an advanced language model trained by OpenAI that can answer various types of questions in natural language. It can be used to generate content, summaries, and even keywords related to your website's niche. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT can help with your website SEO. One of the most significant benefits of using ChatGPT is its ability to generate relevant keywords that you can use in your website's content. By using these keywords, you can optimize your content for search engines and increase your website's visibility in search results. Another way you can use ChatGPT for SEO is by generating content ideas. ChatGPT can analyze your website and provide you with ideas for new blog posts, videos, or other types of content. By consistently generating high-quality content, you can improve your website's search engine rankings and attract more organic traffic. Organic traffic means free traffic as opposed to paid traffic. Finally, ChatGPT can also help with your website's meta descriptions and title tags. These are terms used in SEO. By analyzing your website's content, ChatGPT can suggest more relevant and attractive meta descriptions and title tags that can improve your click-through rates. Conclusion. So there you have it. Using ChatGPT for SEO can provide significant benefits for your website's search engine rankings. By generating keywords, content ideas, and improving meta descriptions and title tags, you can improve your website's visibility in search results and attract more organic traffic. So why not give it a try? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.